Hey guys, how are you? Now I want to show you how to find or how to watch 4K videos in YouTube. Okay, let's go in YouTube's address bar. Okay, search bar actually. So you can search anything, whatever you want. So I put this nature video. Okay, nature video, nature videos. Okay, so there is many types of videos, some 4K, some are normal 180 pixel. Okay, so if you want to find all videos are 4K, then you should go in this filter section and click 4K. Then you will find all the 4K videos in your search result. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's a 4K video. 4K videos. Okay, thanks. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like the video. Thanks.